I'll show you how to add text to your videos using iMovie on your Mac. Adding text can help convey your message more effectively, whether you're creating a vlog, a short film, or a fun video for social media. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Start by launching the iMovie app on your Mac. You can find it in your Applications folder or by using Spotlight Search. Click on Create New to start a new project or select an existing project from the list. Choose Movie when creating a new project. Then select the video clips you want to include and click Import Selected. If you haven't already imported your media, click on the Import Media button and select the video clips you want to use in your project. Drag your video clips from the media library to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Arrange them in the order you want them to appear in your video. Click on the Titles tab above the media library. This will display a list of text styles and templates. Browse through the options and select the one that best fits your video. Drag and drop the chosen text style onto the timeline, above the video clip where you want the text to appear. To change how long the text appears on your video, drag the edges of the text layer in the timeline to extend or shorten its duration. In the viewer, double-click the text box to edit the text. Type in the text you want to add. You can change the font, size, and color using the options provided in the text controls above the viewer. Adjust the position of the text by dragging the text box in the viewer to the desired location. You can add as much text as you like. Just repeat the steps to add more text to the timeline. After you finish doing all the updates, click the play button in the viewer to preview your video and see how the text looks. Make any necessary adjustments to the text placement and duration. Once you're satisfied with the text, click on the File menu and select Save to save your project. To export the video, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select File. Choose your desired export settings and click Next to save the video to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully added text to your video using iMovie on your Mac. Now you can enhance your videos with titles, captions, and other text elements to make them more engaging. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.